Someone in the comments had asked me, so you're just gonna strip everything out of a luxury car? Yeah. Well, you know, I forgot that it is a luxury car. But something kind of ridiculous, if it is a luxury car, is in the cup holders, you can't even fit a standard Fiji water bottle. Like, that's not very luxurious if you ask me. It's kind of bullshit. I should really be getting a refund or something. They really should be putting a recall out on it, but I don't think that they will. We are gonna modify this to accommodate a luxury water bottle in our luxury sedan. Gotta refresh a little bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Fits perfectly.